This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, December 16th. Information provided on this report is live at various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 445 to 450, 8 to 900 462 to 471, 7 to 800 481 to 510, 6 to 700 535 to 596. 5 to 600, 615 to 669, 4 to 500, 744 to 814, 3 to 400, 825 to 890. Heifers 900 plus 396 to 405, 8 to 900, 415 to 422, 7 to 800, 445 to 455, 6 to 700, 485 to 525, 5 to 600, 552 to 590, 4 to 500, 677 to $7, 3 to 400, 680 to $715. Yesterday in southern Alberta, bred cows traded from $4,625 per head to $6,100 per head. Bred heifers traded from $5,050 to $7,000 per head. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume smaller than the previous week. There have been rumblings steady money is being bid, but selling interest remains limited. Over the past couple of weeks, Canadian fed slaughter has been running roughly 1% lower than last year, yet beef production over those couple of weeks are roughly 3% higher than last year due to heavier carcass weights. One positive for the industry is that quality grade percent remains record high. Over the past couple of weeks, prime carcasses have been running around 11%, record high by a mile. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 to 2 cows 206 to 221, D3 cows 190 to 204. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 225 to 241. In the U.S., there is no new trade report, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Last week's negotiated cash volumes were one of the largest seen this year, suggesting packers are better positioned with cattle, especially with later slaughter weeks upcoming. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $235 on a live basis. For-state show list volumes have been reported smaller. In overseas market, with Mexico unable to ship feeder cattle into the U.S., Mexican beef production is expected to grow significantly in 2026. In addition, Mexican beef exports are also expected to be very strong in the upcoming year. Some industry estimates are suggesting Mexican beef exports could be up well over 20% versus 2025. National Bona cows average 301.14 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.73, up 11 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: December 231 up 17, February 230.90 up 35, April 230.52 up 50. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.